Every visit to Spotify Camp Nou feels like witnessing history in the making. With each passing week, this legendary stadium looks less like a construction site and more like the future home of FC Barcelona. Today, we're witnessing some of the biggest changes yet. From new compression ring installations and rapid facade progress, to major breakthroughs across the diamond structures, the third tier, and even the future Barça Store. There are several updates you won't want to miss, so let's head straight to the construction site and see how the new Spotify Camp Nou is coming to life. A key stage of the stadium's transformation was unfolding at the north stand, as another small compression ring box was carefully lifted into position. Operating near the limit of its reach, the TC5 tower crane guided the section through the most delicate phase of the installation. With each new box secured, the compression ring continues to take shape, marking another significant step forward across both the north and south stands. The lateral side continues to transform as work advances across all three diamond structures. The first diamond has already received its final finishing touches, while crews prepare for the concrete pour of the third and largest diamond, with the concrete pump and equipment ready to begin. Meanwhile, the second diamond is progressing with more steel beams being installed before reinforcement and concrete works follow. If construction continues on schedule, the curtain walls of all three diamonds could also begin taking shape later this summer, marking another major step in the stadium's transformation. Stepping inside reveals an incredible view of the transformation. From here, we can clearly see the south stand, the third tier, the VIP ring, and the pitch, where major work is now underway. What initially looked like a routine grass replacement has developed into a much larger operation, with the turf being removed as trucks and heavy machinery continue preparing the field for its next phase. Beyond the pitch, the progress is just as impressive. The compression ring continues to expand, and as we move toward the main stand, more construction activity is already visible across the seating areas, highlighting just how rapidly the stadium is taking shape. Here at the north stand, another visible phase of the facade installation is taking shape. Since the last visit, crews have installed an entire new section of ceramic louvres beneath the soffit, marking the first completed row in this lower area. Plenty of panels are still waiting to be installed, and the work will gradually extend all the way to the far end of the stand. The installation equipment is already in position, with stacks of ceramic louvres prepared nearby. Some panels still have their protective plastic covering, while others have already been uncovered and secured, showing that work is progressing in stages. From this viewpoint, it's also clear that only the first level has been completed, with several more rows still to be installed as the facade continues to take shape. The third tier continues to evolve, with the scaffolding now standing noticeably higher than before. The structure for the future floodlights is advancing steadily, supporting the relocation of the lighting system to the second overhang and creating space for additional seating. More lighting support boxes have now been installed on the scaffolding, while temporary site cabins remain in place to support ongoing construction. With another platform already positioned and ready for work, progress across this section is continuing as the stadium moves closer to its next construction milestone. Here at the north stand corner, another important step in the facade installation is now underway. Crews have begun placing the guidelines used to align the facade anchors before the ceramic louvres are installed, a clear sign that this section is being prepared for the next phase of installation. Further inside, work continues across the mobility cores, where crews are painting structural beams while additional materials are being delivered to the site. From this viewpoint, the north stand remains full of activity as construction progresses across multiple areas before we continue toward the main stand. From the viewpoint, one of the biggest changes is visible at the main VIP entrance. The old railings have been replaced with new permanent ones, giving the area a much cleaner and more premium appearance. Recent work on the entrance steps has also brought this section much closer to its final look. Beyond the entrance, construction continues across the grandstand, where formwork, radial beams, and ring materials are already in place. Crews are also lifting ventilation pipes for the interior spaces, while updated project renders confirm that ceramic louvres will cover the front section between the stairways, with additional cladding planned for the sides. Step by step, this entire area is beginning to match the final vision of the new stadium. Here at the South Stand, the mobility core continues to make steady progress. Since the last update, crews have installed a significant number of additional sandwich panels, extending the cladding much higher than before. Only the upper section remains before reaching the first overhang, while the exterior and side panels will be installed in the next phase. Another noticeable change is the removal of the protective plastic from the ceramic louvres. This section now has a much cleaner appearance, while nearby, more compression ring components remain on site, ready for installation as work continues across the stadium. Further along the South Stand, crews are carrying out detailed finishing work on the facade anchors, with several marked connection points now being inspected and treated as preparations continue for the next stage of Louvre installation. Most of the protective plastic has also been removed from the ceramic panels, revealing more of the stadium's finished appearance. As work progresses, one ceramic Louvre appears to have been damaged and will likely be replaced before completion, ensuring the facade meets the final quality standards. Access to this area is now restricted by New Jersey barriers, but we can still see the progress from here. The block wall beside the diamond has risen close to roof level, with crews continuing work as the structure steadily takes shape. With construction moving forward across this section, we now continue toward the lateral side to check on the next updates. The lateral side remains one of the busiest areas of the project. A new escalator has arrived on site, while sandwich panels are being lifted into place and construction activity is visible across multiple sections. Around the diamond structures, reinforcement cages, formwork panels, and concrete works continue to advance, with freshly poured sections now ready for the next stage of construction. At the same time, crews are carrying out finishing work on the facade anchors and supports using elevated platforms, while cranes and other equipment remain active throughout the area. From ground level to the top of the compression ring, work is progressing simultaneously, making this one of the most active construction zones at the stadium. Another noticeable change can now be seen at the future FC Barcelona store. The main entrance doors have finally been installed, giving the building a much more finished appearance. Scaffolding continues to expand around the exterior, while construction is also moving ahead inside, where crews remain busy working at the entrance and throughout the interior spaces. With every update, Spotify Camp Nou is looking more like the stadium millions of fans have been waiting for. From the compression ring and diamond structures to the facade, third tier, and future Barça Store, another week has brought meaningful progress across the entire project. Which update stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou Progress Report.